Welcome back to Moped Rich. This is part 2 of the Tomos clutch repair. Link to part 1 will be in the description below. First, start out by removing the hose clamps from the clutches. Then with a razor blade, trim all the extra cork hanging from the sides of the clutch shoes. Next, cut the extra cork from between the clutch shoes. Finally, using the razor blade, cut the cork at an angle like a ramp at the ends of each clutch shoe. It's the same process for the other clutch. Before installing the clutches, let them sit in Type F transmission fluid for a few hours or overnight. Thanks for watching, and follow Moped Rich for more moped content. Visit mopedrich.com to see some great moped builds and restorations. Instructions for part 2 in the description below.